Welcome to iFixScreens Lynbrook, your local one-stop shop for all electronic device repair requirements. We all know how frustrating it can be when our electronic devices break down. That's why we offer quality and affordable smartphone repair in Lynbrook, New York. Our technicians are experts in repairing various electronic devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. We specialize in repairing various devices, including iPhones, Samsungs, MacBooks, smartwatches, Apple Watches, and more. We offer same-day repair services for any repair requirement, including cracked screen repair in Lynbrook, New York. We offer a 180-day warranty on any parts we install on your device, so you can trust us to get your smartphone back in working condition. We are committed to providing quality repair services and a hassle-free customer experience. In addition to our walk-in service, we also offer mail-in repair service for your convenience. You can visit us in-store or call us at 516-730-8932 to learn more about our services. You can also check our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Lynbrook-NY to easily find the information you need and contact our expert technicians. Contact iFixScreens Lynbrook today and let us take care of your electronic repair needs.